This is going to be our final 2024 garden update. Here we go. Our last and final harvest. These are the actual basil plants. We just pulled them out. And look at that. A ton of jalapenos. So apparently I waited too long to get out here because Greg has completely cleared this whole thing out. It looks like the day we started. So, Greg,
yes.
What happened?
What happened?
Yeah.
A dang critter.
Oh, look at those little baby carrots.
Keeps getting into this area. We even put up a smaller fence and he is finding a way underneath it right back there.
Yeah.
So tonight it's gonna freeze, so we just decided heck with it. We are good to go.
Done for the year?
Done for the year.
Yeah, it's kind of sad, isn't it?
It is. But I did get a ton of jalapenos.
Yeah, I know, I just filmed the basket. I can't believe it.
That I didn't, I mean, they were like hidden at the bottom of the plants.
Yeah. So he's gonna do this tomato plant last. That's our last lone tomato plant. The marigolds we've already saved seeds off of. Look at the raised beds are completely empty. Oh, wow. I tell you what, though, it was a good year, huh?
Yes, it was.
We got a ton of stuff.
I mean, we got a super ton.
Yeah, we did. So back there, the only thing that's left back here, right there, that is an asparagus plant. That's gonna stay there. And then the Jerusalem artichokes are still here. But see, look, from here to here, that's where a groundhog has eaten the leaves off of the Jerusalem artichokes.
You said I could take this?
Yep, go ahead and take that. That's trash. It has done its job. And because of Greg's superior weeding, there are very little weeds to take care of. We are going to cover this whole area in black plastic and let it rest for the rest of the year. You can see our compost piles are full to the brim. So that's exciting.
And just a word of advice.
Yeah.
If you're doing this, if you grew tomatillos, check and make sure you didn't drop any tomatillos because those things will grow anywhere. They are the greatest volunteer growers in the world, in my opinion.
Yes. Now you can see we're throwing away, we're throwing away tomatoes, but these guys aren't gonna make it. And it's okay because we have a lot of squirrels. Apparently we're wildlife welfare around here. And we've been feeding all kinds of animals and the squirrels will get in there and take care of that for us later.
Well, a couple nights ago we came home and there was a little rabbit in here and he didn't even budge.
Yeah. Like he looked at us like, what?
Like, I paid for the smorgasbord. I'm getting my full.
So yeah, I mean, we're done. I'm happy we're done and I'm sad we're done. Because this takes a big chore off of our plate. Obviously we have plenty more chores to do, but this is a big one that we're not having to maintain this back garden anymore, so. I'm glad we're done. So yeah, that's our last garden update for 2024. It was a good year. I don't think, I haven't grown as many watermelons as before. The jalapenos came in like crazy. Had we not had issues with animals, we would have produced a ton more, but I'm still satisfied with it. And Greg was a huge help this year. That's the majority of the reason why this did so well. So.
And I'm new to this, but this is a true pointer, not a just jacking my jaws pointer. Peppers, you have to be very patient with.
Yeah.
We were ready to give up on our peppers weeks and weeks ago. And then out of the blue, they just started growing and they have produced so much.
Yeah.
The hot banana peppers and the jalapenos.
Yeah.
Now sweet peppers, we're still working on.
Sweet peppers we're still working on. So that's it, folks. We're closing down the garden. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all. Oh wait.
Bye.